Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Find My iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to turn off your Find My iPhone, I'll help you. How can you do this? So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, now you need to click on your Apple ID. And guys, after this you can see the Find My option. Click on it and here you can see Find My iPhone. And when I am clicking on this, then guys, you will see this type of interface, and here is the option of Find My iPhone. Simply you have to turn it off. As you can see here, Find My iPhone has been turned off. So guys, if you not be able to turn off Find My iPhone, then no need to worry. Simply you have to do some settings. So guys, what you need to do, you have to go back, scroll it down, and from here you need to click on Face ID and passcode, and here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. And guys, here you can see the option of stolen device protection. So guys, if it is on in your iPhone, simply you have to turn it off firstly, and after this you can easily turn off your Find My iPhone. And guys, if you can't be able to turn off your stolen device protection, simply you have to reset your Face ID. Automatically stolen device protection will be removed, and guys, you can easily turn off your Find My iPhone. And guys, after doing all this method, if still not be able to turn off your Find My iPhone, then guys, you need to open your Apple Sport app, select your iPhone, scroll it below, click on more, and guys, from here you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of Find My. Click on it, and now you need to wait for more seconds. Scroll it down, and here you can see call. Click on it, and guys, you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem that you will see again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.